Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Aqua Lung Transmitter 2.0. So this is a slightly upgraded version of their previous wireless air transmitter. You'll see from the outside, it looks exactly the same. All of the differences are on the inside. So what they've done is they've replaced the PCB, the kind of the motherboard chip on the inside, and that's improved it in a couple ways. The first way, it now has electromagnetic interference protection, so you're less likely to get sort of interference between your dive computer and the wireless air transmitter. They've improved the battery sort of consumption rate, so your batteries last a lot longer. They've also included a built-in flow rate restrictor. A few other transmitters had a similar problem about a year or so ago, and now modern CE ratings require them to have a flow rate restrictor to pass their guidelines. This now has that, so it's fine. It's going to work with all Pelagic-based dive computers which are sort of wireless enabled. So you're talking your Aqualungs, your Shearwaters, your Oceanics. But what's really nice about these transmitters are, unlike some other brands, these pair for life. So you go into your dive computer and you type in the serial number of the transmitter, and that's permanently paired. So you don't have to repair it every now and then. It always remembers that serial number. So just kind of pop that in your into your first stage, or I tend to put it on like a 6-inch hose, just so it's not so close to the body, and it gives it a bit of movement as well. You do need a swivel pin to fit into that if you're putting it onto a high pressure hose, but I just find it's a bit safer because it's less rigid when it's attached onto the first stage, so you're less likely to knock it. I use one of these myself, very sort of nice. I particularly like that sort of permanent pairing. It's always paired, so you never have to worry about repairing it before another dive. This is the Aqualung Wireless Air Transmitter 2.0. Thanks for watching, safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.